Hey guys, this is Epson WF2930DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer you can also scan using ADF. Now what I want to show you is how to scan your document with this printer. Okay, print it out, share. Okay, is what we are going to do to scan the document. You can also scan double-sided. To scan your document, you need to select the document you want to scan. Okay, now we need to use our mobile device. Okay, so this printer is connected to Epson Smart Panel. Okay, so go to Epson Smart Panel, okay, and select scan. Okay, we want to select scan, and now go to the scan settings. So this is the scan setting. Select source. Okay, so now the source we have here is glass scanner. If you select ADF, then you need to select ADF. So at the moment we select, okay, glass scanner is selected. Okay, now document type is A4 paper, is what we have here, is A4. Okay, so you can, if you have different document like A5, A6, then you select on it. So what we have is A4 paper. Okay, now image, we select color. If you want to scan this black and white, then you select, change it to black and white. Okay, but at the moment we want to scan this colored. Okay, now image format is document PDF. If you are scanning photo, then you select it JPG. So at the moment we leave it to PDF. Okay, now go back. The next you need to do is select start scan. So this document now is scanning. Okay, this is very smooth, so it's scanning. Okay, you can see the document will scan. If you want to scan the second page, open it up, turn it upside down, close it, add scan again, and it will start to scan the second page. This is very smooth. Okay, you can see the second page. So you can do this as many as you like. Okay, now what we need to do is I want to bring this out. Okay, remember we selected scan, okay, colored. If you want to scan a black and white, you need to change it. Instead of color, you change the color to black and white. Once you're done, click next. You can save it. So I want to save it on my picture. Okay, this document is now, file is saved. You can go back to home screen, or yes or no. No, because I still want to use this. Print this document out. Okay, click share. You select this share button, select on it. Okay, it gives you option for you to share this document to various platforms. You can send it through email, print it out. Okay, so we want to print it out using Epson Smart Panel. Okay, and this document now is attached to Epson Smart Panel. Okay, this is the first and second one. Okay, now the other thing we need to do is we need to select print. Okay, once you select print, then you need to change the color. Okay, make sure it's in colored. Okay, now printer is WF2930. Okay, printing rate, you select how many pages you want to print. Paper size, you select the paper. Okay, so you can select so many paper size, but what we have here is A4 paper. Okay, now the next we need to do is media type is plain paper, layout is borders, quality standard. If you want it high quality, then you change it to high quality. Okay, now the next is also paper source is rear paper tray. Okay, we have it at rear paper tray. You can select it as automatic, then you pick it from anywhere you load the paper. Okay, now the next is two-sided. Okay, select two-sided long edge. Okay, so now this document, okay, we're going to print it out colored, double-sided. Okay, select Then you can change, you can also select how many copies. If you want it more than one, then you select add. Okay, like if you want it 2, then you add 2 copies. If you want it 1, then you add 1 copy. Select OK, print it out. So now this document is going to print out 2-sided, colored. Here we go. So it's printing out. Okay, you can see. So it does this automatically. So it's going to go in and print out the second page automatic. So it's printing out the second page and it's printing it out colored. Okay. So this is the document we printed out double-sided. We scanned this document and printed out double-sided.